Perfectly shaped eyebrows highlight one's face and personality. Eyebrows are one of the most noticeable parts of one's face. If your eyebrows are too thin, you can easily solve this problem with the help of some natural home remedies. Here are some of the best ways to grow thick eyebrows naturally. Take one onion and peel the skin. Then, cut it into cubes and put them in a mixer jar. Grind them to a smooth paste and extract the juice. Massage this juice into the eyebrows for about 5 minutes. Allow it to dry on its own, and then wash it off with the cold water. Follow this treatment once daily for several weeks. Onion juice also aids faster and denser growth of eyebrow hair. The juice has sulfur that improves the production of collagen tissues required for proper eyebrow growth. Also, it strengthens the hair follicles. Put a few drops of warm coconut oil on your fingertips and apply it on your brows. Massage gently for a few minutes to boost blood circulation. Leave it on overnight. The next morning, rinse it off with water. Do this daily for 1 to 2 months to notice changes in the thickness of your brows. To enjoy dense and impressive brows, you can use coconut oil. The various proteins as well as nutrients like vitamin E and iron in coconut oil promote healthy and thick brows. It can also help make your brows darker. Soak a cotton swab in pure castor oil and apply it on each eyebrow. Massage gently with your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight. Wash it off with lukewarm water and a mild cleanser. Repeat once daily for a few weeks until you notice improvement. This oil is one of the most effective remedies to boost the growth of your brows. It contains protein, vitamins, and antioxidants that nourish the hair follicles and promote hair growth. These were some of the best ways to grow your brows naturally. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.